Ever felt swamped by browser tabs, research, and endless emails? Meet Comet, the browser reimagined for creators and power users. Watch how it changes the game. Comet isn't just a browser. It's your sidekick, an AI agent that organizes, automates, and gets you answers live right inside your workspace. Whether you juggle research, emails, or data, Comet puts productivity on autopilot. Alright, let's kick off. Live demo number 1. Let's say you get tons of emails every day, and the important stuff is easy to miss. So I just ask Comet to check my unread emails, and boom, it starts analyzing and scrolling through each message, pulling out the key insights for me in seconds. Got a super long email? No problem. I ask Comet to analyze it as well, and boom, I get a summary with all the key highlights, without any endless reading. No more hunting for important bits. Smart AI does it all right in my browser. What else can it do? Let's test this with another task. Now, if you were planning a trip, searching every airline website is such a pain, right? But check this out. I just tell Comet, find me Delhi to Amsterdam flights on 24th. Instantly, it opens up Indian travel sites like Make My Trip and airline sites like Emirates, pulling up options from each. All I have to do is pick. That's travel planning, next level style. Okay, let's talk coding. Got a tough LeetCode problem? Instead of racking my brain for hours, I highlight the prompt, ask Comet to solve it in Python. Code appears, I hit submit, and green check. Total game changer for coders. Automates the grind, lets you focus on the fun problems. Now check this. I want these top video games from IGN straight into a Google Sheet. Highlight, ask Comet, transfer these to my spreadsheet. Flip to the sheet, and look at that. Titles and ratings are autofilled, row by row. Zero copy-paste, all just with an AI prompt. Simple, clean, super quick. And that's Comet in action. AI that supercharges your daily web flow and automates busy work. Want more pro tips and demos? Hit subscribe, drop a comment, and join the AI productivity wave.